Okay, we're going to work on one-point perspective. So I'm going to use the grid system. For the beginners, it's easier just directly using the one-point perspective on the grid paper. So again, we start with the usual. We'll pick this part as a horizon line, and that's eye level. And we're going to create a vanishing point off from the center. We usually use the middle point of this horizon line, but not this time. So to catch our multiple items, we'll create multiple letters. Let's start with, we'll go from here. Let's see if I can create T first. Okay, then I'm gonna making it smaller. So I'm gonna start with the 3x3, 3x3, and I'm gonna start connecting this to something else. Let's say I have a E that start popping above. Using this, unless we narrow it down the gap between, we cannot really reduce the number of the boxes. So E, you require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's a end of T. Now, what letter we should do? Let's say we do A. And then on the corner, maybe we'll use L. So here's A, middle part. Right. So previous picture, I had multiple of them combining together. So since this is for the beginner, we'll use 2 at a time. Let's have something that's a little bit more angled. Let's try Y. Go there and stop. And then you see I'm connecting this corner to corner point. And same thing here to here. And the bottom part, let's see what we can combine it with. How about we do C. Okay. All right, maybe one last. Let's do N. And then let's connect the N with what letter? Oh. we're creating N. So going to the middle. Okay, this becomes like a P also, right? Oh, so this is how to utilize many different things. If I open this part, it could be U. So there are many options you can do. All right, so we got enough space in between, so it's going to be easier. So now start connecting the corners. Start with the one that's close, and then start extending to other area. Yep, looks like we skip this one. Then this corner. There's a lot of corner we need to deal with. So next video I'm gonna show how to put the shadow. I'm in the shade value. Since this is floating, we're not gonna deal with the shadow. Alright, whenever the block is you stop the line, do not go any further. Okay, that corner, and this here, here, and keep connecting. Never lose tension. So focus, so you can keep connecting it to the vanishing point. So your mind needs to keep saying that, or else sometimes some people just lose the concentration and then just connect the corners to corner of other area for no reason. So I'm gonna save some time by not connecting all the way, because we're going to be narrowing it down as we're creating into blocks. Let's see, I think I'm almost done. I think that's it. If I forgot to connect any parts, I'll show it from next video.